Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video, we are going to talk about how you can download the Just Eat app. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So first of all you need to do is simply scroll through your homepage and tap open your Google Play Store. So now on the search box, simply type in Just Eat. So once you do it, you'll find the Just Eat app. So now all you need to do is simply press on the install button and wait for it to get downloaded. So in matter of seconds, the Just Eat app will get downloaded and get installed in your device. So after the installation is completed, you can straight up open your Just Eat app to check out the app itself. And in this way, you can download the Just Eat app on your Android device. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos.